Song was from Thin Lizzy, Whiskey in the Jar. Phil Lynott. So he's at the front of the castle and he's looking down and he goes, we're still not making any money, what are we going to do? So he came up with the idea of holding a rock concert. So this was in August 16, 1981. So he convinced Phil Lynott to come in and be the headliner. And he did. And the opening, they were the headliner. The opening band was a U2 for the very first concert. The next year was Rolling Stones. I said this, I was at that concert, and it was a good one. And ever since then, Bruce Springsteen, Queen, Metallica, everybody has played there. So it's a one-day event, and it's about 120,000 people go to the concert every year. Okay? But it was the rock concert that actually saved the family, the events that brought money back in. They were basically. So it was the music end that brought it in. So in recognition of the first concert at the property, the Irish whiskey, most Irish whiskies and scotches are 40 proof. So this here is a 45 proof. It's 45 proof because of the love of music and the old LP, the old record, 45. That's the connection of it. Okay? A very limited edition. Maryland has about 40 cases left, 46 packs, and when it's gone, it's never coming back. Okay? That's basically the basic story behind the whiskey.